Hey, I'm Terry. A toilet paper roll? Yeah, that guy. I've been in more emergencies than 911, and today, I'm finally telling my story. People see me as just paper. But behind every bathroom door, I've seen truths, tears, and Taco Tuesdays gone horribly wrong. I was born in a clean, cozy factory, wrapped tight, sealed proud, 3 plies thick and dreams even thicker. My mom was a lavender-scented wipe, my dad, a bounty paper towel, strong, silent, always soaking up everyone's problems. Me? I wanted to live in a luxury guest bathroom, soft lights, jazz music, maybe a heated seat. But dreams? They get flushed real quick. I got tossed into a shopping bag with canned sardines and dog food. Then, boom! Ow! Shoved into a bathroom cabinet next to expired toothpaste and a loofah no one uses. Let's talk about my job, huh? I get pulled, spun, yanked. No warning, no warm-up. Half the time they rip me diagonally. Diagonally. Like they don't care about my emotional structure. And I see everything. All of it. Every 3 a.m. bathroom breakdown. Every time someone says, "Ugh, I think it was the shrimp," and rushes in like I'm the savior. And what do I get? Left hanging. 1 square left. No one replaces me, they just stare, then shuffle away, like I'm the disappointment. And then it happens. You hit the cardboard, nothing left to give, just sitting there, empty, forgotten, used up, and they still leave me on the holder, like a toilet paper ghost haunting the bathroom. One time I rolled off the counter and nobody picked me up for days. I watched a spider build a condo next to me, just when I thought I was headed for the trash. A hand reached down, but not to toss me. No, to transform me. Scissors, glue, glitter. Suddenly I wasn't a used roll. I was a masterpiece, a DIY butterfly, a rocket ship, a tiny flower vase with googly eyes. And I felt seen. Like my cardboard shell still had something to offer the world. Craft tables became my red carpet. I found my second life, not wiping, but wowing. Life, my friend, is like a toilet paper roll. The closer you get to the end, the faster it spins. There will be moments you feel pulled in every direction, torn, used, stuck on a wall waiting for someone to notice you. But hear me clearly, your story doesn't end when you're empty. Sometimes the best parts come after people think you've got nothing left. You may not be fresh out of the pack, but you've got value. In creativity, in purpose, in imagination. Even a role like me can be part of something beautiful. So if you ever feel worn out, like life's torn you down to your last square, remember me, Terry, the humble toilet paper roll who found purpose after the flush. Stay strong, stay soft, and always, always roll with it. Subscribe for more stories from the roll side, and next time you change the toilet paper, give the empty one a second chance. We're more than cardboard, baby.